Hello everyone, and welcome to the Auto Price channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 2027 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, a vehicle poised to be a top contender in the SUV segment. Let's dive into a comprehensive review, covering everything from its design, interior, and performance to its estimated price. The 2027 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is expected to retain its futuristic design character. Its front profile is further defined by the latest generation parametric jeweled grille, which integrates seamlessly with hidden LED DRLs, creating a premium look by both day and night. The headlights feature full LED matrix technology with adaptive lighting capable of adjusting the beam direction to follow the curves of the road. Along the side, sharp body lines are complemented by 19 to 20-inch alloy wheels. Muscular fenders create the impression of a rugged yet elegant SUV. The rear, the latest horizontal LED lights give the Tucson a more modern look. A roof spoiler, rear diffuser, and minimalist chrome accents further reinforce the identity of Hyundai's premium SUV. Now, stepping inside, Hyundai presents an interior that is far more luxurious than that of the previous generation. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a panoramic curved display that integrates a roughly 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen into a single unit. Legroom and headroom have been increased, ensuring rear passengers remain comfortable on long journeys. The cargo area is also quite spacious, offering around 600 liters of capacity, which can be expanded to over 1,800 liters when the rear seats are folded down. One of the key highlights of the 2027 Tucson Hybrid is Hyundai's latest generation hybrid system. The vehicle is expected to feature a 1.6-liter turbo GDI engine paired with an electric motor and a higher capacity lithium-ion battery. Combined output is estimated at around 240 horsepower with approximately 367 Nm of torque, delivered via a 6-speed automatic transmission. These figures align with the official specifications of the latest Tucson Hybrid across various Hyundai markets. If the 2027 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is released globally, its estimated price ranges from $36,000 to around $47,000. This price is merely an estimate and is subject to change when Hyundai announces the official specifications and launch details. That wraps up the review of the 2027 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. With its modern design and efficient hybrid performance, this SUV is an attractive choice for modern families. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.